Through the portfolio website. Super pumped. I just finished it up. This is my first React app, and I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. So we'll continue. So first is a pop-up. The reason there's a pop-up is because the animation that you'll see shortly has audio, and unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, Chrome blocks all audio until the user interacts with the page. So in order to try to make sure that the user enters the website, having already clicked, I threw up a pop-up. So that's the animation I was just talking about, just a typing effect. And then the background was, again, this was my first kind of front end full thing, particularly focused on design. So I did a little bit of looking around, and I found this kind of thing. And essentially what's going on is you create like a blank image, and then it's a combination of two sine curves, which are continuous and smooth. One's like hilly, and the other one's like when you throw a stone in a lake. So it kind of ripples out, and then when you add them together, you get something kind of complicated. And essentially, it's just like a little box moving around that area, and then you color code the height, and that's why everything looks so flowy, despite being on a computer where you don't normally get these kind of organic shapes. So if you at any point want to go back to the top, you just click the logo, and it will replay the initial animation. And then if you want to see my resume or contact me through like Gmail, both of these route you to a new tab and allow you to do that. And there's an info pop-up on every single background, kind of explaining briefly what's going on. So I'm gonna refresh the tab page since I already scrolled down, because I want everyone to see the animations as they go. So I'll scroll down now, and you get this like circuit board-esque background, and just a little bit of info about me and a picture of myself. And again, you got a pop up there. Then this, I spent a lot of time working on. The whole site was inspired by another Steven student, Ari. But this, I think, is like the centerpiece of the website. It's not only super cool, even cooler than the first thing I showed you, which I thought was mind-blowing at the time when I did it, because I kind of did it sequentially from top to bottom. So here, the graph itself may change, but essentially it's just some of the tools and languages that I've become particularly familiar with through school and work. And we'll see later that it dynamically changes to kind of convey some meaning. And again, a little brief description. So here we have some of the experience that I've had so far. This one has no like tools associated since it's a theory course. But as you can see, when you hover over one of these boxes, it highlights the corresponding skills or tools or technologies in the graph, which is so cool. So yeah, that's just some experiences. And then here, we've 5 projects. This is actually the website itself. So there's a reference to the website on the website. This will soon be populated with the video that I'm currently recording. And then this throws you to the source code on GitHub. And that's the case for all of these guys. Many of these are school projects. Yeah, but they're some of the coolest ones that I've done so far, and some of the most insightful ones. Like, for example, this was the first time that I was forced to work in a group, and we had to create a product in, I don't know, not enough time, frankly. But you can check that out on your own time. And yeah, again, just note the graph, how the colors, it highlights the corresponding technologies. And then we got the footer down here with my social links, acknowledgements, and then the source code to the whole website down here. Yeah, super psyched. I can say with certainty that this isn't going to be my last project involving React, and I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. Yeah, thanks.